This is a Physics 211 video. We have been asked by a lecturer to create a video for our second assignment. The task is simple. Choose 2 questions from chapter 1 through 5 and answer them. We have chosen questions from chapter 4 and chapter 5, since their solutions have more tables and diagrams to help us in our explanation. It also lengthens our video. Now we start with question 1, which is an example question from chapter 4, presented by Chow Kah Hoe.
Imagine a simple rock being projected from the edge of a building. It's thrown at a velocity of 12.2 meters per second at an angle 53 degrees above the horizontal. It's also noted that the displacement between the base of the building to the final position of the rock is 25 meters. Hence, the question asks, what is the height of the building? Here we derive a table dividing both the x component and the y component into 3 subcategories of velocity, acceleration, and displacement. We then sub in the following values. We can finally deduce the answer to be negative 23.75 meters. It is also noted that it begins at the top of the building at 0 meters and drops 23.75 meters. Thus the answer is negative.
Now we move on to question 2, which is an example question from chapter 5, presented by Hui Beom.
There are 2 forces with magnitudes of 20 Newton and 35 Newton which act on an object of unknown mass. Given that the resulting acceleration is 20 meters per second square and each forces are 80 degrees apart, find the mass of an unknown object. To solve this question, we have to find out the x component and the y component of each forces. Then, using the calculated value, we find out the x component and the y component of the resulting force. With the Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the resulting force acted on an object. Finally, using the Newton's second law, we can find out the unknown mass of an object.